Hello and welcome to the channel. So today we're going to be discussing that what actually is a keto diet. A keto diet is a very low carb, higher fat diet. While you eat far fewer carbohydrates on a keto diet, you maintain moderate protein consumption and may increase your intake of fat. The reduction in carb intake puts your body in a metabolic state called ketosis, where fat from your diet and from your body is burned for energy. A keto or ketogenic diet is so named because it causes your body to produce small fuel molecules called ketones. This is an alternative fuel source for your body that can be used when blood sugar is in short supply. Other health benefits of keto. The ketogenic diet actually originates as a tool for treating neurological diseases. Number 1. Heart disease. The ketogenic diet can help improve risk factors like body fat, HDL cholesterol levels, blood pressure, and blood sugar. Number 2. Cancer. The diet is currently being explored as an additional treatment for cancer. Number 3. Alzheimer's disease. The keto diet may help reduce symptoms of Alzheimer's disease and slow its progression. Number 4. Epilepsy. Research has shown that the ketogenic diet can cause significant reductions in seizures and epileptic children. Number 5. Parkinson's disease. Although more research is needed, one study found that the diet helped improve symptoms of Parkinson's. Polycystic ovary syndrome. The ketogenic diet can help reduce insulin levels, which may play a key role in polycystic ovary syndrome. Some researchers suggest that the diet could improve outcomes of traumatic brain injuries. Different types of ketogenic diets. There are several versions of the ketogenic diet included SK-Day. This is a very low carb, moderate protein and high fat diet. It typically contains 70% fat, 20% protein and only 10% carbs. High protein ketogenic diet. This is similar to a standard ketogenic diet but includes more protein. The ratio is often 60% fat, 35% protein and 5% carbs. Food to eat on a ketogenic diet. Here are some healthy foods to eat on a ketogenic diet. Number 1. Seafood. Fish and shellfish are very keto-friendly. Salmon and other fish are rich in B vitamins, potassium and selenium, yet virtually carb-free. Number 2. Low-carb vegetables. Non-starchy vegetables are low in calories and carbs, but high in many nutrients, including vitamin C and several minerals. Vegetables and other plants contain fiber which your body doesn't digest and absorb like other carbs. Therefore, look at their digestible carb count, which is total carb minus fiber. The term net carb simply refers to carbs that are absorbed by the body. Number 3. Cheese. There are hundreds of types of cheese. Fortunately, most are very low in carbs and very high in fat, which makes them a great fit for a ketogenic diet. 1 ounce, which is approximately 28 grams of cheddar cheese, provides 1 gram of carbs, 6.5 grams of protein, and a good amount of calcium. Number 4. Meat and poultry. Meat and poultry are considered staple foods on a ketogenic diet. Fresh meat and poultry contain no carbs and are rich in B vitamins and several important minerals. They're also a great source of high-quality protein, which has been shown to help preserve muscle mass during a very low-carb diet. Foods to avoid. Any food that's high in carbs should be limited. Here's a list of foods that need to be reduced or eliminated on a ketogenic diet. Sugary foods that are soda, fruit juice, smoothies, cake, ice cream, candy, etc. Grains or starches, wheat-based products, rice, pasta, cereal, etc. Fruit. All fruit except small portions of berries and strawberries. Beans or legumes, peas, kidney beans, lentils, chickpeas, etc. Root vegetables and tubers. Potatoes, sweet potatoes, carrots, etc. Low-fat or diet products. It includes low-fat mayonnaise, salad dressing, and condiments. Some condiments or sauces. Barbecue sauce, honey mustard, ketchup, etc. Unhealthy fats include processed vegetable oil, mayonnaise, etc. and alcohol, beer, wine, liquor, mixed drinks, sugar-free diet foods, sugar-free candies, syrups. I hope you liked the video. Tell me in comment section. Thank you for watching.